Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have Alia Bhatt's exclusive photoshoot choices. From stunning couture to casual chic. So, let's dive right in. Alia embraces her free-spirited side with flowing dresses, floral prints, and natural makeup. Shot against a backdrop of nature or an artistic urban setting, this photoshoot captures her carefree elegance. The actress dazzles in classic attire reminiscent of the golden era of cinema. Think retro hairstyles, red lips, and glamorous gowns with a modern twist. Showing off her contemporary edge, Alia rocks edgy streetwear looks against pretty urban landscapes. Bold patterns, statement accessories, and a confident attitude define this photoshoot. The beauty exudes sophistication in high-fashion couture looks by renowned designers. From avant-garde silhouettes to exquisite fabrics and daring makeup, this photoshoot captures her fashion-forward persona. Embracing simplicity and sophistication, the actress shines in minimalist ensembles with clean lines and understated colors. Soft lighting and minimal makeup highlight her natural beauty and effortless charm. Pushing the boundaries of creativity, Alia experiments with avant-garde fashion and artistic concepts. The beauty embraces the elegance of the Renaissance era with opulent fabrics, intricate detailing, and soft, romantic makeup. Set against the backdrop of a historic castle or lush garden, this photoshoot captures the timeless beauty and grace of a bygone era. Stepping into the future, the actress explores avant-garde fashion with sleek metallics, futuristic silhouettes, and bold, geometric patterns. Against a backdrop of modern architecture or futuristic landscapes, she embodies the essence of a fashion-forward futurist. The beauty connects with nature in a serene photoshoot that highlights her as nature's muse. Adorned in earthy tones, organic textures, and floral accents, she poses amidst breathtaking natural landscapes, embodying the harmony between humanity and the environment. Embarking on an intergalactic adventure, the actress transforms into a space explorer in futuristic attire inspired by science fiction. Metallic jumpsuits, holographic fabrics, and cosmic makeup transport viewer to distant galaxies in this visually captivating photoshoot. Delving into the realm of mysticism and fantasy, the actress captivates viewer with enchanting looks inspired by mythology and folklore. From ethereal fairy wings to elaborate headdresses and mystical creatures, this photoshoot transports viewer to a world of magic and wonder. Embracing her wanderlust spirit, the beauty embodies the essence of a glamorous gypsy with eclectic bohemian attire, layered jewelry, and playful accessories. Against the backdrop of vibrant markets or exotic landscapes, she exudes a sense of adventure and free-spirited charm. Diving into the depths of creativity, Alia poses in an underwater photoshoot that combines ethereal beauty with aquatic enchantment. Draped in flowing fabrics that billow gracefully underwater, she showcases her fluid movements and mesmerizing presence amidst the tranquil, otherworldly setting. Embracing the whimsical world of steampunk, the actress embarks on a daring adventure in Victorian-inspired attire fused with futuristic elements. Donning corsets, goggles, and leather accessories adorned with gears and cogs, she exudes a sense of intrigue and adventure against industrial backdrops or fantastical landscapes. Delving into the dark allure of Gothic fashion, the actress captivates in dramatic ensembles characterized by lace, velvet, and intricate detailing. With bold makeup, ornate jewelry, and hauntingly beautiful settings like abandoned castles or misty forests, she embodies the mysterious allure of Gothic elegance. Transporting viewer to celestial realms, Alia poses against cosmic backdrops adorned with stars, planets, and celestial phenomena. Draped in celestial-inspired couture featuring shimmering fabrics and celestial motifs, she embodies the ethereal beauty and mystique of the cosmos. Embracing the sun-kissed allure of tropical destinations, the actress exudes laid-back luxury in breezy resort wear and vibrant swimwear. Against the backdrop of palm-fringed beaches or lush tropical landscapes, she radiates effortless beauty and relaxation, capturing the essence of a tropical paradise. Blending Victorian opulence with modern sophistication, the beauty stuns in neo-Victorian-inspired attire characterized by ornate lace, ruffled collars, and corsetry with a contemporary twist. Set against grandiose interiors or picturesque gardens, she embodies the timeless elegance and romance of the Victorian era with a modern edge. Infusing the vibrancy and exuberance of a carnival atmosphere, the beauty dazzles in extravagant couture ensembles adorned with feathers, sequins, and bold colors. Alia transforms into a futuristic rebel adorned in edgy cyberpunk attire featuring leather, neon accents, and high-tech accessories. Set against gritty urban landscapes or neon-lit cityscapes, she exudes defiance and attitude, embodying the rebellious spirit of a cyberpunk warrior. Combining elements of retro nostalgia with futuristic vision, the beauty poses in sleek, retro-futuristic ensembles featuring metallic fabrics, bold silhouettes, and vintage-inspired accessories with a modern twist. Against the backdrop of retro-futuristic sets or futuristic cityscapes, she embodies the allure of a bygone era reimagined in a futuristic world. Blurring the boundaries between reality and fantasy, Alia captivates in a photoshoot inspired by magical realism, where enchanting elements coexist with everyday life. Set in surreal landscapes or ordinary settings transformed by magical elements, she embodies the enchantment and wonder of a world where the extraordinary meets the ordinary. Alia Bhatt embraces the mystique of a masquerade ball in a couture photoshoot where she adorns elaborate masks paired with luxurious gowns and tailored suits. Combining elements from various fairy tales, the actress takes on the roles of different iconic characters in a whimsical photoshoot. From Cinderella's ball gown to Little Red Riding Hood's cape, each ensemble transports viewer into a realm of enchantment and nostalgia, where fairy tales come to life in a modern context. Embracing the nomadic lifestyle with a touch of glamour, the beauty dons bohemian-inspired attire paired with luxurious accessories in a desert-inspired photoshoot. Against the backdrop of vast sand dunes or rugged landscapes, she radiates wanderlust and adventure, capturing the spirit of exploration and freedom. Transporting viewer to the opulent era of Baroque art and architecture, the actress poses amidst ornate interiors adorned with gilt decorations and intricate tapestries. Draped in sumptuous fabrics and adorned with lavish jewels, she embodies the grandeur and romance of the Baroque period in a photoshoot that exudes timeless elegance. Stepping into a lush garden paradise, the actress becomes the epitome of natural beauty and tranquility in a photoshoot set amidst blooming flowers and verdant foliage. Dressed in ethereal gowns adorned with floral motifs, she radiates serenity and grace, embodying the purity and innocence of an earthly paradise. Blending elements of classical art with contemporary urban aesthetics, the actress poses in a photoshoot that juxtaposes Renaissance-inspired fashion against gritty cityscapes. Embracing the beauty of birds, the actress takes flight in a photoshoot inspired by avian motifs and ethereal feathered ensembles. Against the backdrop of a tranquil aviary or open skies, she embodies the grace and freedom of birds, captivating viewer with her serene presence and delicate beauty. Evoking the spirit of ancient Greece and Rome, the beauty poses as a modern-day muse in neoclassical-inspired attire featuring draped silhouettes, column dresses, and golden accessories. Against the backdrop of neoclassical architecture or scenic landscapes reminiscent of antiquity, she exudes timeless beauty and poise, embodying the elegance of classical aesthetics in a contemporary context. Embracing an eclectic mix of styles and influences, the actress experiments with bold colors, patterns, and textures in a photoshoot that celebrates individuality and self-expression. From vintage-inspired pieces to avant-garde designs, she showcases her unique sense of style and creativity, inspiring viewers to embrace their own personal fashion journey. Blending elements of cosmic beauty with the whimsy of a carnival atmosphere, the actress dazzles in celestial-inspired costumes adorned with glittering stars, moons, and galaxies. Against the backdrop of a celestial carnival complete with cosmic rides and dazzling displays, she embodies the magic and wonder of the universe, captivating viewers with her celestial allure. And that wraps up our exclusive look at Alia Bhatt's photoshoot choices. Which look was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.